How to write exam using Moodle app. Here's a clear and simple guide on how to write an exam using the Moodle app. Install the latest Moodle app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and enter your university's Moodle site URL. Then log in with your student credentials. Tap on the course related to the exam. Locate the exam or quiz under Assignments or Quizzes section. Read all instructions, time limits, and allowed attempts before starting. Tap on Attempt Quiz Now or similar button to begin your exam. For MCQs, tap to select. For written answers, type in the provided box. Navigate between questions using the sidebar or arrows. Moodle usually autosaves, but click Save if needed after each answer. Once finished, tap Finish Attempt and review your answers, then tap Submit All and Finish. Confirm your final submission to ensure the exam is sent for grading. After submission, you can log out for security. Thanks for watching.